Hey everyone, this video is going to go through how you should use Loom to record your video presentation. Some of you may have used Loom before in the past, but if you haven't, then this will walk you through how to do this. So the first thing that you need to do is if you go up in your search bar and you just type in Loom, you can click on the first result that pops up there. And then for me, it brings it to this because I'm already signed in and I already have an account and everything. If you don't have an account already, it'll ask you to add the Chrome extension. So go ahead and add the Chrome extension and you can just log in with your school Gmail or with your school account and password. Then what you'll do is click on record a video and it'll put your face in a little circle like this. One of your requirements is that you have to have your video on. So you need to make sure that you have your video on. You can pick what size you want your face to show up to be. I would say have it bigger is going to be better. It's going to be easier for me to see your gestures, your facial expressions, all of that kind of thing. Then you'll click start recording. When you are finished recording, then it'll save here. When you're finished recording, it'll save here. What I want you to do is submit the link on Schoology. Don't submit the actual video, like don't embed it. I want you to submit the link on Schoology. So that is how you will do Loom. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.